Hello darlings, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing this vintage inspired thin eyebrow. I just love that they're highly arched. I'm super inspired by these beautiful ladies right here. So let's get started. Up first, I'm using my grande brow. This just helps to grow my brows because as you can see, there's hardly any there. They're very sparse. Then I take my waterproof primer from Thrive Cosmetics. I just feel like this stops my eyebrows from rubbing off throughout the day. I couldn't get this to focus, but this is the brow pomade from Benefit in the color Black Brown, and I'll just use a thin brow pencil to apply. I start with small strokes at the bottom and go at an upwards angle. And I'll do the same thing at the top, going at an upwards angle as well. This is where I'll curve it a little and try to connect it as much as I can and just keep bringing it downward. And I will just keep dragging it down until I'm satisfied with how it looks. Then I fill in the front part. And then I'll get a fluffy brush, dip it in my product, and kind of buff out that front part of the brow. I just don't want it to look too boxy. This is how it's looking so far compared to the other brow. Next, I take my concealer and a flat brush, and I'll put a little bit of product on there, just about that much. And I will just clean it up with that concealer so it looks sharper. I know I don't have a lot of hair up there, but I'll take my Kosas brow gel and just kind of tame what little hairs I do have. After this step, I'm pretty much done. This is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe. I love you guys. Bye!